Alright, good morning, boys. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Me and Nathan got a banger for y'all. We are actually going to Durhamtown. Reason we're up so early right now is we got to run back to my mom's house and get my dirt bike so I can put my dirt bike back together because it's tore apart right now. And then drive all the way back to my dad's and load up. So we're taking the 450, my 250, Nathan's four-wheeler. So, yeah, it should be a fun trip. Yeah, it's early morning, so let's get into it, y'all. Stop of the trip, boys. At Love's gas station. We're gonna get an energy drink, get some gas. So yeah, what energy drink you think about getting?
You gonna get me a Lonnie.
Uh-oh. Go ahead and get you that. Okay. Not a bad pick. Do you think it's gonna be a fun trip?
Heck yeah.
Yes, sir. All right, boys, so I kind of forgot to film some of this, but I got my bike. I picked up my bike. Now we're back at my dad's house, and we got his dirt bike, my dirt bike, the four-wheeler. Everything's loaded up. Just getting a cooler, getting my racing bag. Got to get the stand, and we're going to strap everything down real quick. But yeah, it's going to be a good trip, boys. All right, boys, we got it all loaded up. We got the old Monster Energy, or Rockstar, Husqvarna, Monster Energy, KX250, Polaris 400, and the F250. We're ready, boys. All right, boys.
What happened to say?
We're in the truck with Dad. Got Nathan in the back. Got everything loaded up back there, as you can see. What do you think it's gonna be like, Dad?
I'm gonna jump a hill.
This should be cool. Nathan's gonna be our filmer whenever we're on the track, so we need him to film pretty good. But yeah, we're on the way. We're not too far. We live at like 30 minutes from Durhamtown, so we're on our way now. I'm excited. We're all pumped. All right, so we stopped at McDonald's to get some food real quick before we head straight to Durhamtown. Dad's going ahead and order. Y'all don't understand how pumped we are. Like, I've been waiting to go to Durhamtown for a minute. So y'all don't mind my hair. We're here. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this is happening. It's here, boys. Oh yeah, they definitely got some kind of race going on. You see these cars of yours?
Mm-hmm.
All the racing ones.
Maybe they got a race down there at the
GP track.
Yeah. See, there's that. This is a lot of people.
Well, this is Saturday at Durhamtown. This is why I was telling you that there's a lot of people here.
All right, boys, we done made it here. Oh yeah. All right, boys, so we're getting signed in. We've got our wristbands. I work on my dirt bike because one of my fuses blew. It's just a pain in the butt, but we're getting it all done. About to get into the riding part of the video. It'll get pretty interesting, but yeah. Over here's power. Got some goggles and some gloves. Pro Shop is amazing. I love it. It's about to be fun. We about to get
It's everybody so it it's bad right now.
It's about to be fun. All right, we got everything back loaded up. We're going to the parking lot. I had to work on mine a little bit.
80 foot. That one where I got the no hands, right there.
Oh, heck yeah.
See, he's on that old Starkey. Yeah, I must case that right there too.
Oh,
Let's watch him send it.
Let's see if he hits that big step up.
Oh my Lord.
All right, boys, I got the bikes running. Four-wheeler's ready. Dad's 450's ready. We're all suited up. We're ready to go. We're going out for our first ride. All right, we're going out now. Got everything ready. Y'all ready? Yeah. My bike's done broke. It's pouring, guys. No good. I'm gonna have to leave it here. But we're down here at this track. is after. Well, we came back, taking a little break. Y'all don't mind all the mud right here. It's fun. It's so hot. It's like 80 something degrees. So yeah, we're taking a little break and then we're gonna go back out and try some of these other tracks that are a little bit bigger. But it's fun. It's a lot of fun. You enjoying it, Dad?
Yeah.
What about you, Nathan?
Yeah, I'm dying back here.
Well, yeah, it's fun. I guess I'll catch y'all when we're back on the track.
The triple ended. See where the double is?
Yes, sir. Now we're over here where they got a little race going on. Dad went out on this big track. Pretty cool. They're getting it out there. Here they come. We're cruising her. Oh yeah! We're getting it! Yeah! We're going to MX4. This is one of the tracks we've been riding a lot. So yeah, we're getting it. Oh yeah. Well, Dad's dirt bike ran out of gas, so now we're 3 deep on this. Going to the triple. Yeah, so we gotta go get the gas tank. We got the gas. We're moving. We're getting it. Oh yeah. Whoa. All right, boys, we're heading back now. We had a blast. It was a lot of fun. A lot of good videos of me jumping. I was on the Husqvarna. My bike unfortunately ended up breaking right at the beginning. But yeah, we're heading back now. All right, boys, we got it all loaded up. Well, it was fun. We've been here literally all day. Had problems with my dirt bike, ran out of gas with Dad's dirt bike. So yeah, it was a fun day. I had to get my dirt bike fixed, come back, give y'all more content. But y'all like, y'all subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching.